This is lesson 4, greatest common factor. So we're going to factor the GCF and solve. But before we do that, we need to get everything equal to 0. So I'm going to move this negative 18y to the other side by adding it. So I get y squared plus 18y equals 0. Now I could factor the GCF. I could divide y out of both of these, and then I get y times y plus 18. Hopefully we're good enough at factoring at this point to do that. Now we can just solve with the zero product property. So y equals 0 or y plus 18 equals 0, and I solve. So y equals negative 18 or y equals 0. So we could write our set of solutions with our curly bracket. Same thing over here. I'm going to move that 24x to the other side by subtracting. So I have 4x squared minus 24x equals 0. And then I want to factor out the greatest common factor. Well, I could divide 4x out of all of that and bring it out front. So I get 4x times x, right? X times 4x is 4x squared. And then I have minus 6, right? Minus 6 times 4x is negative 24. Then I can use my zero product property to solve. So 4x equals 0. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 0. And x minus 6 equals 0. Add 6 to both sides. X equals 6. So my two answers are 6 and 0, and I could write it in my set of solutions.